Welcome. I hope everybody had a great weekend, Christmas holiday season. Lots going on. New Year's right around the corner. We've got the news, the charts. We know Bitcoin's been going sideways. We're talking about some of the positive signs in the market. We're looking at what's going on. We're looking at the altcoin season prediction that is predicting 20x to 10,000% gains in 2025. But first, let's get into our charts. Bitcoin is up for the hour, it's up for the 24-hour, and it is up for the week. Now, you could say that's really good, but we're only at 94K. Myself and many others are hoping we would stay up toward the 100K. That has not materialized, but we are still in a bull market, and I will give you plenty of proof on that. But let's take a look at our top coins trending. Our overall market capitalization is at $3.4 trillion, a little bit lower than it was when we were up in the 100K range. So that does seem to make sense. So we got Bitcoin followed by Ethereum, which could be on the rise quite soon. We did a video on that last week, followed by XRP, BNB, Binance Coin, Solana, Dogecoin, and then Cardano at number 10, followed by Tron, Avalanche, Toncoin, Chainlink, Shiba Inu at 16, one of our meme coins rocketing into the top 20. We've got Sui at 18, Hydra moving up to 19, Polkadot 20, pushing Litecoin way down to spot number 29. I like to keep an eye on Litecoin. It is an indicator of where our market is, but it is on the rise. For the 7-day, it's a break even. We're at 2.7 for the week and up a fraction of a percent. But you've got another meme coin beating out some of these more solid projects, Pepe. So, yeah, those are our winners. Looking like a very green day. Looks like for the 24-hour, we are mostly green. So that is some good news. We could be headed for a little holiday bump. That's still my hope. Fear and greed is down quite low at 65. A lot of people have taken profit. I'd say we are poised to see the market start going back up again with the overall market sentiment. A lot of people waiting for it to go up, a lot of people taking their positions. So it won't take long before people start to push the price up. On our Bitcoin exchange balance, we can see that it is over 30 days and 24-hour, 7-day, and 30-day change for the Bitcoin exchange balance. How much is on these exchanges? And it looks like, we are seeing a mixed bag here, but overall, it looks like there are quite a few Bitcoins moving out. So definitely the potential for the market to tip. There's really relatively very few Bitcoins on the market right now. So that's something to consider. Our time chain calendar here, which wanted to put up some sort of a calendar alert here for us. You can still get Satoshis on sale. 1,059 Satoshis for $1. I think that's good news. Our price prediction for Bitcoin, according to coincodex.com, our 5-day is looking okay at 102,000. Obviously, we've already been there, so that's not an all-new high. The all-time high is projected out at least a month at this point. Something we talked about being a possibility for copying the past charts and calendars seems to be coming pretty true. And if that is true, that's actually a good thing because it puts this 4-year cycle at the more positive, the big 4-year cycles where we've had the largest amount of gain. So this could just be the beginning. We could have a very long cycle, potentially lasting even into 2026. So we'll have to see. A little early to tell, but there are some indications. 3 month prediction for Bitcoin is $127,000. Altcoin season right now seems pretty unassuming, riding right down here in the middle, not doing much. But I do believe, as you see Bitcoin here losing its dominance, we are seeing more and more money pumping into these other coins. These coins, all these coins here, Bitcoin dominance was much higher, and the gains were higher. And now we are seeing that the gains are getting higher in these coins, all these coins here. So, yeah, I think that's an indication here. The top performing coins we're seeing are not Bitcoin or other coins. Altcoin season begins with massive Doge, ETH, light chain AI pump, which is set for 20% gains here, according to bravenewcoin.com. Bravenewcoin.com tells us that the long anticipated altcoin season is here, and the market is already experiencing notable pumps for tokens like Dogecoin and Ethereum. Well, we did see that pump a few weeks ago, and we're seeing the beginning of what could be the next pump. So that's something you might want to be ready for. Not investing advice. We're just talking shop here, ladies and gentlemen. But altcoins are going to gain momentum. We know Dogecoin and ETH tell a story. If you've been in the cryptocurrency world for a while, you know that these tell a story. Dogecoin tells us that the meme coin explosion is probably going to happen as Dogecoin gains steam. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum tells us that the overall altcoin season is probably going to pick up a lot of steam as it picks up its price. So keeping an eye on their performance. Also, this Lightchain AI, I don't know anything about this. Seems like this may be a bit of a shill here from this article. So take that with a grain of salt. But it says Lightchain AI is rapidly emerging as a top contender of the altcoin market thanks to its interoperative approach and artificial intelligence. Unlike Dodge and ETH, which focus on payments and smart contracts, Light AI targets industries requiring decentralized AI solutions. So again, I'm not sponsored by anyone at this time. I don't own I don't own Lightchain AI. I do own Dodge and ETH, a little bit of ETH. So which coins are positioned best for 20% gains here? Again, they're pushing the Lightchain AI roadmap, but truly Dogecoin and Ethereum are going to be doing pretty well. A Dogecoin trader who made $2.8 million here, we're told on crypto.news. He made, can you imagine that, almost $3 million. He predicts that this altcoin will deliver 10,000% gains in 2025. So let's take a look at that. This Dogecoin millionaire shifts his focus on a new altcoin, predicting a 10,000% growth by 2025. Well, when we hit altcoin season, a lot of coins are going to skyrocket, not just the ones that are being shilled here potentially or potentially not. You could lose all your money too, right? But it says this trader who made 2.8 million is eyeing this new cryptocurrency that will possibly soar 10,000% by 2025. Well, I'd say within 2025 because that's like coming any day now. The coin could offer such extraordinary returns amidst a dynamic landscape of digital assets. Catzilla. I wonder if that's what they're talking about. Catzilla. Trump's crypto revolution sparks meme coin dominance. As Donald Trump sparks renewed enthusiasm in digital assets, meme coins are stealing the show. Catzilla is making waves. You know, you could lose all your money with this one. This is, you know, anyone's guess. I think capitalizing on the altcoin season that is, I feel, destined to come and trying to shill these coins in these articles is, something you got to be careful of. You can't really put a lot of faith into it. But yeah, if this has a good team, if it's interesting, if it catches on, could it gain 20x or even this 10,000%, which is actually I think that would be at least 10x. Yeah. So they have a massive return on investment. They're going to scale their price up in 14 stages. They have dynamic pricing. Stage 4 priced at 0.0006, which now it's 0.0002 on their pre-sale. So there's a 700% increase there. And then community-driven growth, they say, will help you earn 8% from direct referrals, 2% from second level, 1%. So it's almost like a multi-level thing here to try to shield their coin. Yeah, that's total gamble there. You definitely could lose all your money on Catzilla. But who knows? These dog coins have been pretty popular. Maybe it's time for a cat coin. I don't know. Dogecoin, plentiful crypto with social media boost. Launched in 2013, uses the image of Shiba Inu dog in its logo. Unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin has no maximum supply. There's 10,000 new coins mined every minute. It is a fun alternative to traditional cryptocurrencies. In 2021, its value surged and it became one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. The article says here Dogecoin trade at 31 cents is up by 71 cents the last 24 hours. This article's only came out in the last 24 hours. It's not that old of an article. Conclusion, coins like Dogecoin show short-term potential. Catzilla emerges as the ultimate meme coin hero, according to them, starting at 0.0002 and rising to 0.0016 over 14 stages, offering 700% ROI during its pre-sale. Yeah, I don't know how you can guarantee that kind of stuff. That's just really, yeah, maybe they will, but honestly, you're not even supposed to guarantee gains like that. So I would say you can gamble on that coin if you want, but be prepared to lose every penny you got. All right, so let's look at the general news here. We know altcoin season is looming because Bitcoin dominance is going down. We proved that. We know the overall market is pretty good, but what else is going on? Hyperliquid rolls out a native staking on mainnet. So if you like Hyperliquid project coin, that might be something to look into. Decentralized exchange volume hits record 462 billion in December. That's amazing. That's definitely telling us that this engine is revving up for a real Bitcoin crypto mega season, super cycle. Will ETH outperform Bitcoin in January? I say it's very possible that happens. I would be looking for that to happen. I'm not saying that you put in a bunch of money, but if you've already got money in the game, like I do, that's going to be something I'm looking at. Bitcoin may reach 150K to 400K in 2025 based on the Fed rates, according to Blackwire. So that's interesting. We've talked about some of those scenarios. A lot of big business people who are smarter than you and I have used calculations, analysts, and are saying Bitcoin will easily hit 250,000 this next cycle. We will see. We will see if it hits that high. My prediction is 180,000 low. That is the low potential for the max high that we're going to hit this cycle within 2025. I was hoping we'd go above 100K before the beginning of the year. You can go back and look at my videos. That did happen. I have been hoping for Bitcoin to hit 100K again during the holiday season. I'd hoped for Christmas, but I had extended it to New Year's. We'll see. Doesn't look like that's going to happen. So that one, that was more of a hope than a prediction, but there's a possibility is there, right? I mean, look at this article here by Ezra Raguria from Cointelegraph. Uniswap remains the largest DEX by trading volume. Decentralized exchange volume hits a record high of 462 billion in December. That is so much money. This Uniswap recorded over 106 billion over 30 days. That's just one exchange. And a lot of people have never even used some of these decentralized exchanges. They use the centralized ones like Coinbase and Genesis and Kraken and Binance and all these different ones. So that is a lot of money that is circulating. It's the highest ever month for DEX, decentralized exchanges, for cryptocurrency overall, according to the data platform DeFi Llama. So the momentum from November is going on. You can see here the calendar for the monthly, and we are just up here as we end the year. It's been amazing. In November, the DeFi space saw a monthly volume of 374 billion, drawn by the anticipation of this favorable presidential election, favorable as far as favorable toward cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. That's what I mean by that. Uniswap was the leading DEX, so this is a decentralized exchange. It's the leading DEX by volume, recording 106 billion over the past 30 days, according to DeFi Llama. PancakeSwap is second place with 96.4 billion in monthly volume. That is so much coins exchanging. Solana's largest DEX, Radium, took third place as a trading platform, had a volume of 58 billion. I wonder where Jupiter ended up on that list. No, they're not even on that list. A lot of people trading on Jupiter too. I've used it once. It was fine. Yeah, and you can just see the list of all the other ones that are on there. The Okra, Curve Finance, Hyperliquid, all that. There's a lot more of them. Those are just the top ones. Meme coins lose 40 billion in market cap for December. Yeah, I did see my couple meme coins that I'm in lose some value. I'm still hanging on. They talk about Pepe here as one that is hit an all new high. So it's not all bad for all of them, but there has been some loss. I think we will see the gains come back for most of these projects. Just hang on tight and put in your stop losses if you are worried of going into a loss. Cointelegraph recounts the most memorable moments on X this year, which influenced crypto and crypto culture. So if you want to check that out, that's pretty cool. There was the fake out where we got about 24 hours or more where we thought that the ETF had been approved when it hadn't, caused a little spike in price, made a lot of people upset. So a lot going on. I'm going to keep this brief. I will try to put out a video. I did put out a short on the, I don't know what it's called, Canaan, let's see. This little dude here, the Canaan Avalon Nano 3, little tiny Bitcoin miner. I did a little short on a pink one that I set up for my daughter, and I'll do another one on a blue Nano that I'm setting up. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Have a great day. I am out.